Moen offers a wide range of sink sizes and configurations to fit the needs of every homeowner. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install an undermount sink onto a granite countertop. Be sure to follow any specific installation instructions your countertop manufacturer provided. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill bit, flathead or Phillips screwdriver, caulk gun, denatured alcohol, tape measure, tape, safety glasses, and gloves. Step 2. Measure and cut the hole for the sink. Determine where the sink should be positioned on the countertop. Make sure there's enough clearance on all sides of the sink underneath the countertop. Carefully tape the template to the countertop and use the appropriate saw to cut the hole. If you want a negative reveal, cut the hole slightly smaller than the template. For a positive reveal, cut slightly larger. And for a flush mount, cut the exact measurement of the template. The final step is attaching the sink to the countertop. This should be done before installing the countertop. Clips are included with your sink. Your countertop fabricator will supply the proper hardware to attach the sink to the countertop. Solid surface countertop hardware requirements may vary. With the countertop upside down, clean the counter hole and sink rim with denatured alcohol. Position the sink over the counter hole and mark guidelines for proper placement. Apply a bead of caulk at 1/8 to 1/4 inch in diameter along the edge of the hole. Place the sink on the countertop. Then attach it with your mounting hardware. The edge of the clip should overlap the sink ledge. Once the countertop is installed, wipe any excess caulk from the sink rim. Finish up by connecting the faucet and drain fittings. Congratulations! Your job is complete. Installing an undermount sink is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.